Okay, so did you read the session document that was provided to you today?
Yes, I think it is unemployment.
Yes, that's right. Do you want to talk about that or do you want to talk about something else?
No, I can talk about this topic. I think this topic is in limelight. Okay, so we must talk about it.
Yes, definitely. So when I say unemployment, what is the first thing that comes in your mind?
I don't see any sort of unemployment, and a reason is that I think that if population will increase in this world, then no leader can fulfill this necessity. So unemployment is our own production. Okay, like if if you don't have a skill, then definitely you will be unemployed. So I think that lack of a skill in young people is called unemployment. Otherwise, if you see in this world, whoever has their own skill, they are making more money than like people who are doing jobs somewhere, or like people who are looking for government job.
Did you like I wouldn't frame it like that, but anyone around you or someone you know of was unemployed because of COVID?
Because of COVID. Like, yes, so many people are unemployed because of COVID. Like, they were working in any shop, but because of this corona pandemic, that shop had been destroyed and like shut down. And so they have lost their job now. Okay, so yeah, this is scenery all around right now.
Since you have been teaching since a really long time, how was your experience throughout COVID?
COVID. Yeah, my offline. I have been running my coaching institute since 2017. Okay, so in the beginning of 2020, I had invested huge amount of money to make it big, and unfortunately, lockdown started after few week of doing all these things. Like I did advertisement in my city. Okay, and after that lockdown started, so I am already a victim of this COVID-19. So I know, yes, this period has been difficult for people, especially who have been running business. It is not difficult for one who has been working for government job, but definitely a self employed people, or whoever were doing job in private sector, they are suffering a lot.
So, what do you think are the main causes for unemployment?
I think main cause is that we must train people in this way that they can have a skill, that they can do something on their own. Like, usually if you will look at the people who are unemployed, they don't have courage, they don't have any skill to start something on their own. Okay, and this is just leading to unemployment. And maybe the people, I have also seen few of my friends that they are just looking for government job, and they think that after getting the government job they will be in heaven. But I don't think so. Okay, so these people also are unemployed. Why? After a certain age, they have been continuously preparing for examination, but they are not succeeding. So after a certain age, automatically they become very frustrated. You already, after 30 years, you are of 30 and you are not getting any job, then you will be frustrated. Now you have so many pressure over yourself. Like, you have already spent your 30 years, you don't have any other skill, and now what to do? That is the big problem, and that's what going with Indian youth, especially right now. They don't know anything else, just they are continuously looking for examination, they are giving examination, they are preparing for an exam, and after 30 years they open their eyes, what should I do now, because I'm nowhere now. So that's a problem here, that we must train people since their school days how to earn money at least. Okay, uh, and we are not teaching them how to earn money. Just we are forcing them to take a job. We are forcing them to be good at their subject. I think it would be better than teaching them subject that be good at earning money since their childhood.
Okay, So, in earlier classes, and not just early, I think till the 10th grade, we have a subject called history and geography. Do
Mhm.
you think that subject is actually necessary for the future, and learning about the past, but how is that going to help you in the future?
I think one thing can help you in the future from history, that if you are taking any sort of lesson that, like, we had have so many fights, wars, okay, and this can give us one idea that we should not prone to that situation once again, okay. So that's only we can take from that history for our future. Otherwise, I don't think there is any use of history. Just, you know, learning about the people who are no more here. They are not going to change our life. Just we can't realize, like Bhagat Singh, we can't realize his feeling, how he was feeling and why he sacrificed their life on those days. Right now we don't have that feeling, and if we are, teaching Bhagat Singh to the today's people, they are not going to understand anything. And that's what is happening right now in our school, that you will people are saying that kids are not learning their subject. Why they will learn about Bhagat Singh? Because Bhagat Singh, they can't understand Bhagat Singh. There is no need of Bhagat Singh right now. There is need of technology. Teach them how to build a business, how to be a good entrepreneur, how to establish online store, how to, proceed in their career. I think so.
Okay. And talking about unemployment, how do you think, we can control this unemployment thing? Do you have like an idea or an opinion on it to control unemployment?
Yeah, first of all, we will have to control our population, okay, because this earth is limited, resources are limited, everything is limited. And if there will be uncountable number of people here, then definitely there will be war for everything, okay. So first of all, we must understand that we must come up with idea that can control our population. And second thing is that just as teach the children in this way, make them skillful since their childhood, that even they are not getting any sort of job, they can do something on their own.
Okay. And another question that I would like to ask you is, a lot of people, because they want to get employed and they don't want to stay unemployed, they want like a fixed income in the house. They settle for jobs which are much lesser than their qualifications. What do you think about that?
I think they need security, so they are just feeling secure after getting a job. That's maybe issue with them, like, and they might have a wanting to get that. That's what I think about that.
Okay. So the situation in North Korea, are you aware about it?
Mhm.
There they are facing a major unemployment rate, and of course we don't have the data because it's a dictatorship and they do not allow to
Dictatorship.
release the data. But everything that's happening over there, what do you think about that?
I don't have much knowledge about South Korea, but I think they are living under dictatorship. So just whatever all the steps that they are taking, I think their government are, you know, watching it, and they, according to them, they will have to do the thing. So I think their government will be responsible for it. But in India, I don't think any sort of restriction is here. Like whatever we want to do, we can do here. So yeah, I don't have much knowledge about North Korea. I think that would be happening there.
Okay. In our Indian system we have a lot of quotas, like different categories have different seats reserved. Do you
Hmm.
think this quota and the reserved seats also cause a major drop in unemployment?
I don't think so. I think definitely there are some classes in our country that has been like oppressed, okay, since time of immemorial, okay, because I have been living in village side and I know about all these things, okay, even though I'm not belonging to that category, okay. So definitely this should be given to those people that they can come up, okay, they can they can bring a equality in our society. Otherwise, if still if we are not able to do this, then our society will be like unequal. And if we are living in 21st century and still we will have such a society, then it will be shame on us. So I think yes, definitely we must do this, but I don't think it is causing any sort of unemployment. Okay, like I have seen the people, like if you are talking about higher class, they have accessory that because using it they can get a good job, and I have seen with my eyes that always higher class are getting more job than the lower class.
Do you think that higher class people are getting more jobs because they are exposed to a lot of exposure and they have like a lot of, they have more knowledge than those, or the lower class people? Do you think that is the reason, that is the barrier?
See, in our society, like still the lower class didn't read any book yet. Okay, like they have been doing something for this society, like washing clothes of others. Okay, like they have been plowing the others field. Okay, they have been doing employment for the higher class. So still they have no reach with book. So how they will be like, you know uh, good at their studies like the higher class? So we must think about this, that yes, higher class is good at these things, and because of that they are getting jobs. So right now, if government is doing any sort of work to uplift those people, it is praisable, it is commendable, and I praise the government for it.
Okay. And talking about women, a lot of women are not allowed to, get educated or even get employed for a matter of fact. So, what's your opinion on that?
I think we must come out of this taboo, like yes, woman is unequal, or like she can't do anything. I think woman is very more powerful than man in some cases. Like I have seen with my eyes, if father will have to bear up a child or like bring up a child, then they can bring. Okay, but woman, even father will be not there, woman can easily bring up a child. Okay, so that's what we must understand, that woman has more, power than man. Yes, man has muscles power. So like muscles power is, I don't think it is everything. Yeah, somehow it is good to physical protection, but on the other hand, in different thing, men are not as capable as woman is. So I think, yeah, right now we must give a chance to all the women to come up. They must have all sort of right that she can become parallel to men in the society. Okay, and they must have their own choice.
Very, very well said. This is something that actually brought a smile on my face. Okay.